So our next punch, so we've got our jab first. After that's always gonna come the two, the cross, the rear hand, the brick hand, whatever you wanna call it. Different gyms have different nomenclatures, but at the end of the day, we're throwing our rear hand. This rear hand is the natural power punch. Woven into our DNA is that natural ability that when we get into a confrontation, we're gonna put our weaker side forward, typically. Our stronger side is gonna cock back and throw the biggest punch they can. So if you watch primates fight each other, that's the shot they're throwing. You'll see it in every single street fight video from now to the end of time. It's that big rear hand punch. So we're looking to harness that natural power that we've got, but we're looking to do so in a more technical way. So the first thing we want is we want connection to the ground. By connecting to the ground, that's gonna give us more force that we can generate. And additionally, it's gonna give us the ability that as we connect, it's gonna be reinforced stronger so our punch can connect better. The second thing is just like the jab, we're gonna be looking for that straight punch. We want the quickest, straightest line from point of origin to the target and back to point of origin. So, we're here in our stance. Whether we've jabbed and shifted our weight back to load the cross even further, or if we're just in our stance, we're gonna drive off the ground. So the ball of our foot is gonna twist, and you can notice my heel is getting outside the line of my foot. So my heel is going out, that ensures that I'm twisting fully, my knee is driving in, and my hip is driving forward. So I've got 1, 2, 3 parts of my lower body all connecting together. At the same time, my hip coming forward is bringing my shoulder forward, so all this force that started with the ground is coming up through my body to my shoulder, and all that's being added to the extension of my shoulder through my arm. So that's why we're able to create a lot more power with this rear hand. So we're here in our stance, we're comfortable, we push off the ground, same thing, thumb stays up nice and long. As we come out, we rotate in. So thumbs up, boom, and back. Straight out and straight back, looking to land those first 2 knuckles on the target. Out and back. So coming from this side angle, I'm pushing off the ground, I'm twisting, and I'm coming straight home. Twisting and coming straight home. The more I can connect to the ground, the more power I can generate coming forward. So that's what we're looking for in our cross. So if you watch me from behind, and this is what I'll do anytime I'm trying to watch students, I'll try to slide behind to see if I can see their elbow behind the shoulder. So we're here in our stance, boom, and back, boom, and back, boom, and back. And we're constantly looking to create a cleaner connection between the ground pushing off and our punch and coming home. As we rotate, the shoulder is blocking our face again. We have natural defense that's part of our offense. Because we're throwing correctly, we're naturally covered up as much as possible. So that's the cross.